Om Hari Om. This is the second verse of Hanuman Chalisa. Buddhihina tanujanikai sumirau pavana kumara bala buddhi vidya dehu mohi harahu kalesha vikara. Buddhihina, lack of knowledge or without intelligence. Tanu, body or person. Janikai, knowing. Sumirau, meditation or remembering. Pavana Kumara, son of wind god. Hanuman. Bala, strength. Buddhi, intelligence. Vidya, knowledge. Dehu, give. Harahu, remove or clear. Kalesha, elements or any defects. And vikara, that is imperfections. In this particular verse, Sri Tulsidas ji doing his own ahankara kandanam. In Shastras, it says it called as ahankara kandanam. Even though we know everything, still we must have a humbleness inside. So that is what it is. So Tulsidas ji is saying, I don't have that much intelligence to narrate Sri Rama's glory, nor the knowledge. I humbly accept this fact of mine. This is what ahankara kandanam means. In our lives, we always brag ourselves. We think whatever we know, that is ultimate. But actually, someone will be there who is smarter than us always. So humbleness is needed in every human's life. That is what Tulsi ji is showing us in this verse. Even though Tulsi ji is a great jnani, still he don't want to brag himself and says, I need Lord Hanuman's blessings to complete this particular task. That is why I am asking to give all these things to me. What are those things? Bala, buddhi, strength and knowledge and intelligence, and remove all the defects in me and all the imperfections, clear all the imperfections. That is what there is one Sanskrit shloka called Buddhir Balam Yashodhairyam Nirbhayatvam Arogata Ajadhyam Vakpatutvancha Hanumat Smaranad Bhavet. If you start meditating Hanuman, your knowledge, your intelligence, strength, and even if you have disease, it will go away. Ajadhyam, the laziness will go away, and arogata, the diseaseless life, and vakpatutvancha, your uninterrupted flow of words, it will come out. So he literally praying all those things from Hanumanji to narrate Rama's stotra. At the same time, he is praising Lord Hanuman as well, because Uttama Shloka Shikamaneenam Charitanuvadaha Manovishuddhi. Narrating the story of great and pious people our mind will be purified. Because of that, we have to keep remembering those pious people's glories, and we have to keep chanting those people's chantings. So that is why this Hanuman Chalisa is also there, and this is what exactly the second verse meaning. And God bless you all. See you next time for the next verse. Hari Om.